Are the wait times on the Silver Dollar City app actually accurate?
We're going to test it, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out.
Hey guys, we wanted to stop and interrupt this video and let you guys know that it is sponsored by Expedia.com.
Expedia has some great customer service where when we're checking in, we have a peace of mind. It also has a wonderful rewards program where we get big discounts on hotels that we normally wouldn't stay at.
Definitely. So guys, if you were trying to find a place to stay, hit the link in the description box below. It really helps us out as we are Expedia affiliates, and that way you can have your stay with our help today. So with that, let's get back to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So like we said, we are here at Silver Dollar City and we are going to be testing the wait times on the app to see if they are actually accurate or not. So that being said, we're going to test a couple rides, see what the wait time is, and start a clock for that. And then, yeah. So anyway, that being said, we are waiting on my brother and sister-in-law and his family to get here. And then we're going to go hang out and ride with them and try out some of that stuff. So anyway, when they get there, we will let you know what our first ride is. So anyway, stay tuned and we will see you when we decide what our first ride is, and we'll let you know. We are going to start off our day heading to Time Traveler. That was the first thing chosen. So we will check on that wait time when we get there. So anyway, see you guys when we get to Time Traveler. We have made it to the Time Traveler and it says it is a 35-minute wait. So we will start the time now. Okay, so it was only a just over 19-minute wait, like 19 minutes and a few seconds. So
I was highly impressed.
I was impressed too. We got right through that line. They got everybody going and kaboom. So hopefully the other rides are like that the rest of the day. Guys, it's hot.
So hot. The
Super
cave
hot.
sounds fantastic right now.
It does. It really does. We may do that after we get done filming all this. So
Yes.
anyway, we will see you guys at our next ride, which is going to be...
Right, we're letting the kids pick right
We
now.
are letting the kids pick. So when the
whatever
kids
they
find
decide.
out, you'll see us in a minute. So we just ate some lunch at the Rivertown Smokehouse, and the kids decided that they wanted to ride the Flooded Mine. And it says it is a 0-minute wait. So we're going to get over here and we're going to ride it and let you guys know. So see you guys at the Flooded Mine. All right, we have made it to the Flooded Mine. We're going to see if this is a 0-minute wait. And when we do that, what we say by that is like when we get in there, wherever the line stops at, we'll see if it's right up front. So see you guys when we get over here.
Sweat a little water, you sweat a little blood, and your mind is made proud. Your whole carload now. Our mother can work faster than you guys.
600.
You sweat a little blood, and you might get out the blood. If you don't tell them
So we just got off and it took us about 3 minutes and 46 seconds to get on. So not quite a 0-minute wait, so it wasn't really a walk on, but yeah. So anyway, that being said, we're gonna figure out what the next ride is. Kids wanted to go into the baseball shop here, and then we will see where they want to go next. All right, so the next choice that we are going to do is Thunderation, and we are actually right here next to it. So it says it is a 0-minute wait. We're gonna find out. We have made it here to Thunderation, and we're gonna start the clock. So we'll see if it is a 0-minute wait or not. All right, just got off Thunderation, and it was a 2-minute and like 39-second wait. So not very long at all. The kids have selected to go to Powder Keg next. We haven't ridden that in quite a long time, actually. So I'm kind of excited about it. The app says 25-minute wait. That might change by the time we get over there. So when we get over there, we'll let you know. So anyway, see you guys over at Powder Keg. We have made it to Powder Keg, and it says a 25-minute wait still. So we're gonna hop on. So see you guys afterwards. All right, so we just got off of Powder Keg, and it took us 13 minutes and like 30 seconds, something like that.
Not bad.
Right. So we've ridden enough rides today to kind of say the app is wrong. Wait times are actually shorter than what they say, which is a great thing, honestly.
I'd
So,
rather it be like that than over.
I would rather the park overestimate than underestimate, to be honest with you guys. So we've been to parks that have underestimated, Pirates of the Caribbean. So anyway, that being said, guys, that's going to be it for us. When you guys use the app, we highly suggest that you do follow those wait times. They are fairly accurate to a point, but always realize that at Silver Dollar City, the lines will actually be shorter. So anyway, if you guys want to keep up with more of our theme park news, videos, or anything like that, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and that
Bell notification button.
so that you guys don't miss on any more of our next adventures. And with that,
Bring on the next adventure.